My name is Roshan Patel. I am the Director of the Kidney Stone Center and the Chief of the Division of Endourology at UC Irvine. The UCI Kidney Stone Center specifically has the shortest wait time to see a urologist that's specially trained in kidney stone surgery. In addition, we can often see patients same day, if not the next day. In addition, we're able to take patients to surgery. So if you're hurting from kidney stones and you're missing work, we're able to see you expeditiously and then get you treated and back on your feet and feeling better faster than anyone else in Orange County.